Hello, welcome back to Berdu channel. In this video, we'll show you how to incorporate various content into the navigation menu on your website. So, all the sections that can be included in the body of your Berdu webpage can also be placed in the navigation bar. Examples include webforms, videos, images, etc. With this feature, visitors to your site will find it easier to access the various content you provide. This can also enhance user experience as you're able to display key components right where you need it to be. Before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel to get more tutorial updates, hit the like button below, and also turn on the notification bell. Okay, first, from your website's dashboard on Berdu, let's go to Layout, Edit Layout, and click the Navigation Settings icon. Here, we'll add a new section. Search for the Content Menu section. But if you're interested in creating a drop-down mega menu navigation, please check the link in the description box. For now, this Content Menu section is what we are going to implement in our website. You'll see the menu content in the navigation section, and when hovered over, default video content and text appear on the right side. For an easier editing process, let's check the content preview first, so this section always appears when edited without needing to be hovered over. Okay, first, let's start with the text. By default, it's content. You can change it as needed, for example, to teaser, video, or anything else. In the Only Show When option, its function is to set whether this content should always be shown, only visible when visitors are logged in, or only visible when they are not logged in. Then, in the section part, there's a default section, namely Video plus Text. Here, you can add other sections that you want to include in the website body, starting from text, button, testimonial, media, form, etc. Now let's try editing the default video section. Go to Settings. Here, you can change the default URL link to the video link you want to include in the navigation. Then, for the next settings like video position, size, and ratio, you can adjust them as needed. You can also customize whether the video controls should be hidden when the video is playing, such as play, pause, next, and others. This hides the controls when the video is playing, or you can check autoplay so that when hovered over, the video automatically plays. And if the setting mute is checked, the video will automatically play in mute. Visitors can click the unmute icon to enable sound. Finally, for the loop option, it means when the video ends, it will play again from the beginning. So, the video will automatically repeat from the beginning. Okay, once done, let's move on to the content. This menu content serves to manage the text next to the video. Please change the text according to the context of the video or promotion you want to display. Next, don't forget to adjust the font type, font size, text position, and text color if necessary. Once done, it will look like this. Furthermore, you can add animations when the menu appears to make it more attractive. Here, there are options for video animation and content animation, so you can choose which part you want to animate. It can be just the video, just the content, or both. For example, let's choose the video only. It will look like this. Let's try replaying it. If we try to animate only the content, it will look like this, only the content text here is animated. So you can decide which one is more suitable for your website, whether it's just the video, just the content, or both. Then, for the animation duration, trigger, and other settings, you can adjust them as you like. For example, I'll set it like this. You can follow the settings I'm demonstrating, or you may freely explore further. Now, let's try replaying the animation. This is how it looks like now. But this whole animation thing is optional. You can choose whether to use it or not. If you want to remove the animation, simply select None for the animation type. Next, let's move on to the container menu. Here, you can adjust the background of this content, starting from patterns, gradients, Images, and Colors. In the Padding section, you can adjust the space between the content and the container. Slide the slider here. Or if you want to make the top and bottom distances different, you can set the padding option to different first, then adjust the top and bottom sliders. Okay, once done, click Done. Next, we'll try to add another section to this content menu. For example, I'll add a column text plus icon section to add key benefits. Add a new section and look for the column of text plus icon section. 3 default columns will appear like this. Now let's try to edit one of the columns. Here, I'll add the icon that I've prepared beforehand to make it more attractive. Next, we just need to edit the title and content. Once done, click Done. Now we just need to edit the second and third columns. I'll fast forward this step since the method is the same. Now, go to the Design section and change the title and content to make the colors more contrasting with the background and easier to read. In this Design settings, you can also determine the image ratio and the font type for both the title and the content. And you can also adjust the max column. The more columns, the smaller the space per column. Once done, click Done. In addition to the 2 sections we've discussed, you can still add other sections to this content menu. So feel free to explore and find out which sections are possible to include in the navigation bar. Okay, once done, click Done, save. Let's see the page. So this is our newly created navigation bar. Okay, the content appears, consisting of the sections we added earlier. The video also automatically plays according to our settings earlier, and the key benefits have also appeared. For the mobile view, it looks like this. The menu will appear on the right side of the website when clicked or tapped. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel to get more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow Berdu's social media accounts for more interesting content. See you later!